Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to log out of your Dropbox application on your smartphone. Logging out of Dropbox ensures your files stay secure, especially on shared device, so here's how you can do it. Launch open the Dropbox application on your device, and then once you're in the home page, tap on the account button at the bottom right corner. Now inside the accounts menu, scroll all the way down until you see the sign out button. Tap on sign out and then confirm when prompted by tapping on sign out once again if you'd like to sign out of your account right away. And within a few seconds, you will be logged out or signed out. If you want to get access to your Dropbox again, you'll need to enter your password or choose one of these social accounts or choose whether you'd like to continue with Google or Apple from the menu. Whether you are switching accounts or just keeping your data private, now you know exactly how to log out of Dropbox on your device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.